Hello mga kabuot! Welcome to Mother Sounds Vlog!
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, this is my challenge video. I got 10k likes and today we're making a challenge. Mama versus me! And
Okay. Our challenge is, kailangan magbabato-bato pick kami. Ang manalo, kakain itong siomay. Pero, hindi kakamayin. Ito yung gagamitin, chopstick. Oh, this is the challenge.
bro,
Kailangan kong turuan yung anak ko gumamit ng chopstick. Okay, so ito yung naisip kong paraan para matuto siyang gumamit ng chopstick.
hurry up!
Okay? So, magbato-bato pag-pick kami. Pag sinong manalo, kakain ng siomay.
Madami?